Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Wanti. I am 33 years old. I come from Subang, West Java, Indonesia. My religion is Muslim. My last education senior high school. I can.
What is your name?
My name is Wanti.
How old are you?
I am 33 years old.
Are you married or single?
I am single parent, ma'am.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have children. One children, 11 years.
Who take care of your children you want go to Hong Kong?
My mother and my father.
Where do you experience work before?
I have experience before in Singapore 3 years.
What is your job in Singapore?
Cleaning the house, cooking, wash car, ironing, take care of children.
How old children?
17 months.
70 years old?
Yes, ma'am.
7 years old or 70 years old?
7 years old, ma'am.
7 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, I want to learn cook Chinese food.
Are you eat pork?
No, ma'am, but I want to learn cooking pork.
Are you afraid of dog?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. See you in Hong Kong.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.